Namaste, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It is Wednesday morning, November 6, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. The stock market highlights from Tuesday, November 5, 2024. Indian benchmark equity indices, BSE, Sensex, and Nifty 50 staged a smart recovery in the afternoon session on Tuesday, recouping some of the Monday's losses after declining in the morning trade. Bearish sentiment prevailed during the first half of Tuesday's trading session, pulling the index down. However, a sharp recovery led by banking sector reversed the trend, lifting the index above the previous session's low. Metal stocks added further support, boosting the index higher. The markets declined in early trade amid constant foreign fund outflows and cautious investor sentiment ahead of the US presidential elections outcome and the Federal Reserve interest rate decision. The bounce back in the market came late in the afternoon. During the day, the Sensex rose over 1,200 points from its day's low. The Nifty had dropped to as much as 0.5% to an intraday low before rebounding up 1.6%. The BSE Sensex settled up 694 points or 0.88% higher at 79,476, while the Nifty 50 ended above the 24,200 mark at 24,230, up 218 points or 0.91%. Analysts said the rebound could be attributed to technical bounce back and short covering, besides hope of demand revival in the second half of financial year 25. The domestic market experienced a sharp recovery, reclaiming most of the previous day's losses amid uncertainty surrounding the likely downgrade in Q2 GDP forecast and closely contested US presidential election. However, the recent rebound in domestic market manufacturing activity data, along with the expected revival of the consumption in H2, are likely to support the market sentiment. Metals led the gains, driven by anticipation of significant stimulus from China later this week. Among the top Nifty 50 gainers were JSW Steel, Tata Steel, and Bajaj Auto, while the losers were Coal India, Trent, and Adani Ports. Bank Nifty closed 52,207, up 992 points or 1.94%. Mid and small cap stocks also recorded gains, though they underperformed compared to the benchmark index. Sectorally, the Nifty Metal Index climbed the most, up nearly 3%, followed by Nifty Private Bank and Bank indices up 2% each. On the downside, the Nifty FMCG and IT indices ended low. In the US overnight, Wall Street turned buoyant on election day. All three major indexes closed sharply higher, gaining over 1% each. The S&P 500 gained 1.23% to end at 5,783, while the Nasdaq Composite gained 259 points or 1.43% to 18,439. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 1.04% to 42,227. Brent crude is trading around $76 a barrel. Gold is at 79,300 per 10 grams. Silver is at 95,500 per kilogram. Now, for today's outlook for the Indian market. On the daily chart, Nifty 50 has formed a piercing candlestick pattern coupled with a positive divergence in the RSI and the 150-day moving average support, suggesting a potential bullish reversal. Additionally, a positive divergence on the daily RSI further strengthens the case of an upward move. Looking ahead, a buy on dip strategy could benefit traders as long as the Nifty stays above 24,000. On the higher side, Nifty may advance towards the 24,750 to the 24,000 range. However, the buy on dip strategy has to be reviewed once Nifty falls below 24,000. As indicated yesterday also, The level of 23,800 will serve as immediate support, while on the higher side, and the resistance level is now shifted higher to 24,370. Stocks on radar today: SBI, Indigo, Vedanta, Shipping Corporation of India, and Zomato will be in focus on October 6th. That's today. Swiggy IPO to open on November 6th today. The company targets to raise rupees 11,327 crore through its initial share sale, which is the second biggest IPO fundraise in the current year after Hyundai Motor India. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow morning. In the meantime, what do you think the markets are going to do today? Let us know in the comments section. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.